Kedarnath to Coolie number one and now Atrangire. There's one thing that is clear is that Sara Ali Khan is versatile when it comes to acting. Hi Sara. Welcome to
Hello,
India today.
namaste. Thank
Namaste,
you.
namaste. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
So, like I said, a versatile actor, when anything is given to you, everyone says that you perform so well. You surpass all the expectation that we have. What kind of pressure right now are you facing for Atrangire?
I don't think it's ever been pressure. I think I'm an ambitious actor, and I think the opinion of my audience and my media has always meant a lot to me. So it's not pressure, but I think there's desire to do work that people like.
Right. So, work, all the reviews, the trailer reviews that we have seen, the trailer that we have seen, people are loving it. Even the songs, they're loving it. How excited and nervous are you? Because this also marks your digital debut, if I'm not wrong, with Hotstar. How do you feel about that?
I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. I think I'm grateful at the response that the songs in the trailer is getting. And I just hope that people enjoy this because the one thing that I can tell you, and I think the reason I'm not very nervous, I am nervous. You should be nervous about anything you care about. But the reason I'm not very nervous is because अंदर से वो feeling आ रही है मुझे कि मैंने अपना 100% दिया है. और जब आपको वो genuinely लगे ना, जो honestly शायद मुझे बहुत समय से नहीं लगा है. बट जब इतनी सच्चाई और इतनी ईमानदारी और इतनी प्यार से आप कुछ बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो तो आपको कम से कम वो लगता है दैट आई हैव डन वट एवर आई कैन डू. अब इसके बाद सब हर फिल्म की अपनी किस्मत होती है. जनता इज़ द जज ऑफ इट ऑल एंड आई होप दैट दे लाइक इट.
How much could you relate to your character in Atrangire?
I think she's from a different world than I am. So that's of course different. But I think on the core, the fact that she's also more layered than I am. She's seen more of life than I have. She's had a more difficult life than I have. But the innocent personality that we both, I think, have, that we mask with exterior confidence, is something that I could relate to.
You also have two extraordinary actors, that is Dhanush and Akshay. At one hand, Akshay is all out, funny, he cracks up anytime, whereas Dhanush is very calm, quiet. How is it to break the ice between both of them?
Anandji did all of that. I think that the most beautiful thing about this film is that we were so true to Anandji's world that we stopped being Akshay Kumar and Dhanush and Sara Ali Khan and we started being his characters. But having said that, I do appreciate the fact that despite being a bona fide star and Thalaiva, respectively, they have both been only humble and only supportive and encouraging to me. And I'm thankful that I was given this opportunity.
So how much did you enjoy, your time with Dhanush, because he's new to this entire world. So how was it?
I had a blast. I think from eating the most delicious rasam to hearing the most eclectic music to understanding him talking about books, also about films, realizing that bhasha is nothing compared to bhavna, which is all here, which you can't see right now in this particular shot of his. But in the film, there is a lot of it. And I'm just thoroughly privileged to have been given the opportunity to even share, I won't even say screen space, but set space. The fact that I could be on the same set as them and watch them work was just a privilege for me in and of itself.
And Akshay, did he have, do pranks and all on the sets? What was it?
All the time. All the time. Suddenly grabbing from somewhere, suddenly surprising, suddenly giving you some. मिठाई के नाम पर मुझे कुछ लहसुन का बॉल खिला दिया था उन्होंने और आनंद जी ने. But it's okay.
But you must have met him
But
before.
never like this. Okay. Never like this. I think that the first time that I really got to meet him was through this set. I've met him once or twice before, but I never
with your
really.
father, so-
Yeah, but in like '94, and I was like 0 years old because I'm born in '95.
Right.
You know what I mean? So, not really actively seen him like I did this time.
Right. So, Sara, OTT has opened doors for everyone. And in these 2 years, it has made a lot of people's life easy. How do you see this? Do you see the OTT as a boon?
Of course I do. I think that for me, especially as an actor, I don't think the medium at which the films that you make are received is what counts. I think the content that you bring on the table is what matters. As somebody that has survived because of OTT, I think I'm just grateful for it, and I'm happy to be able to create content that I think people, would want to watch.
So one word for Anandji, Dhanush, and Akshay.
I think for Akshay sir it would be energy, um, or star power. For Dhanush it would just be effortless acting, and for Anandji it would be just love.
All right. I have a quick rapid fire round for you, and it's going to be. So that's the rapid fire for you. How often do you look up for your name on Google?
On Google, not very. Hashtag Sara Ali Khan on Instagram, very often.
All right. Can you tell me one misconception people have about Bollywood celebrities?
I think that we don't. Some people maybe feel that it's all glitter and glamour and there's not much inside. But I think we are all normal people with a whole real life within us.
All right. What is the last thing you have binge watched?
Succession.
Okay. What is the coolest gali according to you?
Coolest gali. Gali. Galis are not cool.
Okay.
Anybody that knows me knows that I believe this.
Okay. We agree. A fictional character in Bollywood you like to date?
Date. Fictional character. Uh, can I say Visu? You guys don't know this yet. We watch it and you'll know.
Okay. A celeb's closet you would like to steal clothes from?
Karan Johar or Ranveer Singh, even though I think that they almost share a closet, but yeah.
Okay. First thing you notice about people when you meet them?
First thing I notice, mm, nothing specific. If they have food around them, I'll notice.
Okay. Lastly, if you have to steal anything from these actors, what would it be? Akshay Kumar?
Spontaneity or energy.
Dhanush?
The ability to face a camera effortlessly.
Vicky Kaushal?
The ability to live every character with equal conviction.
Deepika Padukone?
Ultimate beauty in every frame.
Katrina?
Banging body.
Awesome. You did well, Sarah. Okay, before I let you go, I need to ask you one question. You are working with Vicky in Lakshman Utekar's Next. It's already out, so can you share some details?
I think that I'm a massive admirer of Lakshman sir's work. I really enjoyed Luka Chupi. I've loved Mimi. And I think I'm privileged to be able to work in a film with him. And I think that Vicky is just one of the most effortless actors. He's a very, very humble person. And I think that he molds himself in every role that he's given with just a lot of ease. And I think it would be a privilege to work with them. And I have a lot to learn from them. And I can't wait to start doing that.
Any update on when do you start shooting? And
I can't tell you that. You'll find out within 5 days.
okay, all right. Lastly, the newlyweds are back. Vicky and Katrina are back. What would you like to wish them?
I wish them.
Personally.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Thank you so much, Sarah.